today we're gonna go online shopping with me.
Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
I want to just put more pieces into my wardrobe that I see on Pinterest. Pinterest is taking over everyone's life. Sorry, mom. My mom really hates me for buying so many clothes that I really don't need because it's freaking COVID period and it's Corona time. I don't go out. I stay home. I go to work. That's it. I don't socialize. I just do this for you guys so I can look cute for you guys, you know? Here's my Pinterest. This is like kind of like my aesthetic, if you would call it. A lot of people are super into aesthetic nowadays and it's kind of irritating because they make an aesthetic out of everything. Do we really need all of these aesthetics? Like, can we just call it Pinterest aesthetic? My style has always been 90s, so that's just who I am. I take a lot of inspiration from Beverly Hills. One of the things that I really wanted to get were these sweaters. I'm gonna show you guys. Literally, these sweaters are so popular right now. They're like, I think $35, which is not bad. And actually, I already ordered mine, so I'm not sure when I'm supposed to get mine. Another thing that I've been loving is the color sage. Like you can see right here, sage green aesthetic. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if you guys see these trousers. These are everything. Like, they're so freaking cute. I am obsessed with those trousers and I really wanted to get these. These are from Motel Rocks. They're cute. You know, they look really, really nice, as you guys can see. $73 for that? I cannot spend $73. So I searched up sage trousers and I found some on Forever 21, sweetie. I found them and they were so much cheaper. They're only $23 and you get extra 50% off with the coupon. So you only spend $12 compared to $73. And look how good they look. Like, they look like the same. You know what I mean? I mean, maybe it's not super duper fitted. It's like maybe not as fitted as you'd want it to be. But you know what I mean? It is what it is. And actually, they came in the mail today. Here they are. I tried it on already. They're cute. They're a little long, but should I try it on for you guys? I should try it on for you guys. I should. I mean, I might as well show you guys if you guys want to get it. Okay. Okay, here they are. Like I said, they are a little, don't look at my feet. They're a little long, but if you were to tailor them, they would be pretty fine. And that's how they look. They're really, really cute. I want to get chunky boots. Okay, so like right here you guys can see her boots. Hers are super duper chunky, so I don't really like I don't want it to be super chunky, but I definitely want chunky boots. And I was gonna get the Doc Martens, the chunky ones, but black boots. Oh, these are really cute. I like these. These are black square toe. Okay, I really, really like these. Okay, so this is something that I really wanted to get, which were brown corduroy looking, like just brown flare pants. So let me show you guys where I got. I used to hate Shein. I thought Shein was very tacky. I thought their clothing was just bad. But Shein has really changed the game. Like, their clothes is pretty good quality and I kind of can't stop buying at Shein. And it's bad. I got so many things. Okay, so I got the high waist flare brown pants like I told you guys. I got that. I also got this really cute mock neck side tie, whatever the heck. This is just, it kind of looks like a marble kind of print. I don't know why, but I was obsessed with it. And I think with flare black pants, it would look so good. I got these flare leg pants. I got these ones to go with the shirt that I just showed you guys because I don't know why. I heard glitter pants were coming back into style for this year and I was like, you know what, let me get these because they're cute. And they're like flared. So I was like, you know what? I was like, these are cute. So I got them. Then I got these little sunglasses because, as you guys know, these are very, very popular right now, especially the ones that are black and yellow. I can't find those, so I'm gonna have to look for those right now. But these are so cute, and I thought I'd get it just as a staple. And then I also got this leopard crossbody bag. I have one. If you guys have seen my pictures on Instagram, I already have one, but I really liked the way that this one is built, kind of like a crossbody, and it's just like a messenger bag. And then the last thing that I got was this 12-piece face mask because I am starting to take pictures in public, so obviously I can't just, you know, go out in public without a mask. So I bought these to match my outfits, and hopefully they're cute. This is the next thing that I got. I think it'd be very cute. So funky rings are so in right now, like just really cute big ones, or you know, like just ones that have like, you know, they're like very chunky and big, and they're kind of like statement rings. Like they're so in. And also like these crystal rings are in, so I wanted to get myself rings because you guys know I'm obsessed with rings. I got this one. This is like a heart ring, and it's super chunky, so I really like it, and I think it's like a bold statement ring, so I'm really excited to wear that. The next rings that I got were these ones. These are like rhinestone ones. I cannot wait till I get my Shein package. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Okay, so the next thing I got was this, and I can already envision how I'm gonna wear this. I know most people would be like, why would you buy that? But like this with a green fit and like cream pants, like I don't know, I saw this and I thought it was the freaking cutest thing ever. You guys know I'm obsessed with purses, so I had to get it. I'm sorry, I just had to, like how could I say no? The next thing that I got was this dress because it just screamed 90s vibes to me. Like look at that dress with those boots, so freaking cute. I really liked the pattern on this. What I got was this like jacket. It's not denim, it's like this cord jacket, and I saw Brenda Walsh wearing this, but she is wearing like this cream colored jacket with like a white turtleneck, and they don't show pictures of it, but on the show she's wearing like this beautiful light denim with white Vans, I believe, some like tennis shoes. But I was like, I had to get this because it just reminded me of her, and I wanted to kind of recreate her outfit because I loved it, and I love Brenda's outfits. And then the last thing that I got was another ring. This one is also a heart, but this one's kind of different. It kind of just looks very flat, and it has something in the middle of it. It looks like a sun. And yeah, I got that, and that's it. That's all I got from Shein. Yo, okay, that's what I need to get. I need to get a cream crew neck. Okay, so I got this brown crew neck. I wore it on my Instagram picture. I'll post it right here. I got it from Amazon. Amazon has amazing things for a really good price, but I want to see if they have a cream crew neck because I just think it's very essential, and even if I don't end up wearing it as much, I can still wear it to sleep and stuff. Okay, I really like this one. I think this one's perfect, and this one's men's, so I can choose it oversized. I would say maybe a medium. Okay, perfect. And it's only $15, and it's an oatmeal color. Perfect. Okay, that was easy. I wanted some cream pants, so I got, if you saw my Christmas vlog, I got some from PacSun. I got them from PacSun, but these are, it's these ones, the brandy. Yeah, those are the ones I got, were the Tammy cargo pants. They look like this. They're so cute. I really am obsessed with these. Oh, I also got these. I want to show you guys. I got the super cute necklace from Ready Drip. Ready Drip is so good with their freaking jewelry. I'm obsessed with their jewelry. I'm gonna get this hat right here, this cute little bucket hat. I don't know what color I should get. Should I get the pink one? Should I get, like, these are all the colors, and I don't know which one to get. Like, should I get the green one? Should I get the pink one? Should I get the brown one? I don't know. I think I might get the pink one because you guys know I'm obsessed with pink. The pink teddy bear one is so cute. I don't know, they're just so cute. I can't choose. I totally forgot to show you guys this. I got it from Forever 21. You guys know Precious Moments characters. How cute are they? They're so cute. I don't really like these like little dangly things, but like they're so cute and I love the color, and I don't know, I just have to get it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed online shopping with me, and I hope I gave you some little tips on how to save money while shopping. And let me know if you guys want to see a cute little outfits video. I definitely could do that once I get everything in the mail. I'm probably just gonna get the pink one. So they restock in 3 days, so I have to wait for the restock. Let me know down below what your favorite item was or what you're obsessed with. I definitely want to know. I love you guys so much. Have an awesome day. God bless you. God loves you. Show love. Bye.
Show love, show love, show love. Show love, show love, show love. Let them hate all they want, show love. And when you finally come up, show love.